This tutorial shows how to remove text from an image using Canva's Magic Eraser. Begin by opening your design in Canva, uploading your image, and selecting it. Click Edit Photo to access the image editing workspace. From the Magic Studio section, choose Magic Eraser. Adjust the brush size to match the size of the text, then carefully paint over the letters you want to remove. Once you release the mouse, Canva's AI automatically fills the selected area by blending it with the surrounding background. Review the result to ensure the background looks natural. If any text remains or the area appears uneven, repeat the process until the text is completely removed. Once you're satisfied, continue editing your design or export the finished image.